Yes, sir.
So there will be no doubt.
There will be no doubt.
The exercise ilikuwa ishe kesho Saturday, lakini sasa juu ministry imeona concern venye watu wamejaa, tumeongeza Monday na Tuesday ili tuhudumie wote kwa jumla na to make sure hakuna mtu ataachwa nje kwa mradi. Ya rais, hiyo ndio yenye tulikuwa naomba iendelee hivyo.
All the cards have already been enumerated.
Yes, they have already been enumerated.
The card you give,
Yes.
what does it mean? It means first the person living here.
Yes, the person has been living here, and they are liable to get the new houses here.
The new houses are ready.
They'll be.
Title to a house.
Yes, that's what it means here. What we did, we went to the ground, we enumerated the people, the socioeconomic enumeration exercise, who are residing at the slum, where we want to upgrade. So after enumeration, we validated their data. So now from their validation, because when we enumerated like 14,000, but now after validation, we have to verify so that we know whether there are people from here or people from outside. So from the validation, we got 11,000. So those are the cards now we are prepared. So these cards, when you are issuing the houses, that is evidence that they are residents of Kibera and they qualify now for the houses. Yes. So it's a process that you have.
You keep the database.
Yeah.
In the ministry.
Yes, we have the database at the ministry, and it's.
Every person, their ID, and even their enumeration card.
The enumeration and their families, because we enumerate everybody, so that even after you get the house, you cannot sell that house. It's supposed to go down to your kins. Yes, because here it is very. Yes.
We did count everyone. So yes. So when is the when are these 4,000? When are they getting ready?